Hello everyone, this is our next video and myself Pooja Maurya. Today we are going to do a topic named nutrition. So all of us very well aware of what is nutrition. Nutrition is a process by which the living beings obtain their food for to synthesize it for the purpose of their growth, repair, maintenance and reproduction and for meeting their energy needs. So it is just a phenomena of taking a balanced diet. So nutrients are of various type which are taking in our food, that is energy giving food which provides us or which gives us carbohydrates and fats. Then next category we have bodybuilding foods. It gives us protein, some minerals. Next is the protective food. It protects us, our body, from diseases and it provides us vitamins and some minerals. Now why we are taking these nutrients? Basically it is for the purpose of for the source of energy. So the significance of food is acting as a source of energy and it is forming formative function is also there, like it is forming certain proteins, certain amino acid, DNA, RNA in our body, and regulative function, it regulates our body by with the help of enzymes and hormones. These are also made up of protein. So everything that we are using or that our body is utilizing is made up of protein, amino acids. So that is also we get from the food. There are two types of amino acid, essential and non-essential amino acid. So some of them we take from the diet and some our body synthesize. So this is the method by which our body takes nutrition. So nutrition is a phenomena by which the living beings obtain their food from the diet, that is called a balanced diet, which gives us carbohydrate, protein, fat and minerals. Now next we will see the mode of nutrition. Mode means the ways, different types of or the way by which we attain nutrition. So there are two mainly the mode, autotrophic nutrition and the heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic, we are very well known that that type of nutrition in which the organism can synthesize their own food with the help of the process known as photosynthesis by using sunlight, water, CO2 and chlorophyll present in the leaves. So they can do photosynthesis as well as chemosynthesis, like certain euglena and volvox. This is a marine organism which lives inside the water. They can perform photosynthesis because they have the pigment chlorophyll present in them. Chemosynthesis means that they are not using chlorophyll, they are using certain any other organic substance like sulfur and iron. So they are oxidizing this inorganic substance for the preparation of their own food. In this, iron and sulfur bacteria does this kind of work. Next type of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. In heterotrophic, this is the type of nutrition in which the organism is not dependent on itself but it is dependent on some other organism. So first category we have saprophytic. Saprophytes are those organisms, those who feed on dead and decaying matter like bacteria, fungus, molds. They obtain their nutrition from the dead and inorganic substances. Next is parasitic. Parasites are those who just live inside the host body and derive their nutrition from their body. So they don't kill their body but just they derive the nutrition and obtain it and do their work. So there are two type of parasite, ectoparasite and endoparasite. In ecto, that these parasites live outside the body. Ecto means outside. So these are the parasite that survives the outside surface of the body like mosquito, lice, ticks. So next category is endo. Endo means inside. Those organisms, those who live inside the body of the host like tapeworms. Tapeworms live inside the intestine of the organism and derive their food from the intestine. Next category we have holozoic. Holozoic nutrition is a kind of nutrition in which the organism first ingests the food, then digest it, then assimilate it and then excrete out it. So the whole 5 step of digestion is taken place in the whole holozoic. There is a complete digestion is seen in holozoic type of nutrition. So in holozoic we have herbivore, carnivore, omnivore and carrion feeders. Herbivores are those who feed on plants. And carnivores are those who eat flesh. Omnivores, those who eat both flesh and meat, flesh and plants. Carrion feeders are also known as scavengers like crow, those who feed on dead and decaying matter. So these are carrion feeders. So next category of nutrition we have mixotrophic nutrition. Mixotrophic nutrition. In mixotrophic, both the autotrophic and heterotrophic kind of nutrition is seen. The example of mixotrophic is euglena. Sometimes it can synthesize its own food with the help of photosynthesis and sunlight, with the process known as photosynthesis and chlorophyll and sunlight. But when the oxygen or for sunlight is not available, it depends on certain other organism in water. Then it becomes heterotrophic.